Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to see how we can write a simple C++ program. Okay, so we are going to write a program to add two numbers. So first we will write hash include iostream. Write using namespace std. So why we use namespace? Basically namespace is used to group together related variables, functions, etc. So here we are going to group all the functions related to standard input output. Now we will write down main. So we need to perform addition of two numbers. So obviously we will need two variables for that. So let us write int a comma b. So next C out we will write enter two numbers. Now we are going to take the, and it ends with a semicolon. Okay, now we will take the input C in A, then one more variable B, give another semicolon. Now we will just display the output, which is C out, then within double quotes sum is, now sum is present in which variable? C. So after double quotes we will write C, A plus B. Okay, C equal to A plus B also you can write, but we are writing A plus B. Okay, let's run it. First we will have to save it. Let us save it as add1.cpp. Save. Now we are going to run, compile and run. So you see, just enter two numbers and you see the output is shown. Instead of directly computing A plus B, we can include one more variable C. So we can write C equal to A plus B. Then here in place of A plus B, we can write C. Now again let's compile and run. Go to execute, compile and run. So output is coming, give two numbers. So sum is shown. See another program. That is the same program, addition of two numbers, but this time we will be using class. Okay. So first let us write hash include iostream. Again we will have to use using namespace std. Now we will declare the class. So we will write class. So class is a keyword. Now we will write down some class name. Since we are performing addition, so we will write add. So now what are the member variables that we need to write inside the class? Three member variables, A, B, C, AB for the two numbers and C for the output. Then public void, we will take two functions. I'll just show you how to use functions. So I am taking two functions. One is read the input and one to display the output. And class ends with a semicolon. So whatever these ABC will be accessible, by default it is private and it will be accessible only by the functions declared within that class. ABC is not accessible outside the class, whereas read and display are public, so it can be accessed from anywhere of the program. Now let us define the read function. So first we are going to write down the return type void, then add is the name of the class, scope resolution operator, and then read. So here I will write enter two numbers. So I'll just take the input C in A and B, followed by a semicolon. So this is the read function. Now let us define the display function. So return type is void, add is the name of the class, display, and then here I will just write down C is equal to A plus B, because C is the variable we are going to use for showing the output. Then C out, sum is, then we will have to write down C. So we have declared the class, then we have defined the functions also. Now we will write down main. Now as I have told before, a class doesn't have any memory. Okay, when it is declared it doesn't have any memory. So memory is allocated when object of that class is declared. So we will write down the class name and then some object name. I have used the name OB. Then using this OB we are going to call the function. So OB.read and OB.display. I have already saved this program. You can save it. After that go to execute, compile and run. So enter two numbers. So sum is coming. Thank you everyone.